Well, you are just full of talking this morning, aren't you? Huh? Are you going to wear socks? Do we have socks today? No socks? Really? Got your nose. There's Lilo's nose. Too bad you're not happy. Yeah, I know. Too bad. Such a sad baby today, aren't you? Huh? What? What? You're all excited. Tell me. What? What? You quit talking? You're not going to talk anymore? What? Talk. You are silly.